Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to discuss with you some different issue with Adobe Animate. The Adobe Animate is a very good application if you would like to create any animation, and it is not only Adobe Animate is sufficient to create any animation. You have to involve other tools like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and there are many more. So while creating a one animation for my project, all of a sudden I started facing one issue, and I believe I should make the video for that. The issue is all of a sudden Adobe Animate got super slow. Super slow means I'm not even able to select a frame. If I am clicking on any frame here, like on this particular layer, it is taking ages to select. I have clicked, but it is now take at least 20 to 30 seconds to select one frame. And it sounds like it is very impossible to work on more than 100 layers and 900 frames, which are in this movie called Definition Breakup. So now you can see the cursor is here, but still it's gone again, and there is a waiting clock. The mouse cursor changed. If you see on the upper left corner, it is showing not responding, but it will respond after some time. You have to be very patient. So what happened is once it started happening, like Adobe Animate got super slow, I gone to Google and I tried to find the solution on Google, but I did not find any solution on Google. So I been to Adobe and I asked for the help. What they advised me is something very different, which was irrelevant, but I would like to share with you so that you will not waste your time finding the solution if you are facing the same problem. The solution is, according to Adobe, if you are facing Adobe Animator is slow, you need to go to the File menu, Publish Settings, and change the hardware acceleration, which is under Advanced. Under Advanced, if you see at the last option is hardware acceleration. So there are two hardware acceleration inside. There is a one level 1 direct and second one is level 2 GPU. So I dig out into that both hardware acceleration. So level 1 direct meaning the direct mode improves playback performance by allowing Flash Player to allow directly on the screen instead of letting the browser do the drawing. This is, it sounds like some irrelevant because I am working inside Adobe Animate. I'm not working outside. And what is the second level 2 GPU? The second level 2 GPU means in this GPU mode, Flash Player utilizes the available computing power of the graphic card to perform video playback, and compositing of layered graphics. So video playback, this also sounds irrelevant to my issue. So I give up on the Adobe help and I investigated the whole issue inside my animation. So what I have noticed, since I am working on very heavy graphics, like these 5-6 layers like laptop, computer, mobile, tablet, printer, server, I'm not clicking on it because once I will click, the mouse cursor will again change to the weight. So I organized all these layers together, and I have noticed like these layers are causing problem. The question is why these layers are causing problems? Because these layers contain some heavy graphics which I imported from Adobe Illustrator. If you know Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Animate has a very good compatibility. You can create object in Adobe Illustrator which has more options to draw any kind of graphic objects, and then you can import into Animate and you can animate those objects. But the problem is, if you are working in Adobe Illustrator, definitely in case of complex graphics, you need to work in layers. For example, if I click on the laptop frame where the laptop is starting, you will be able to see the laptop which is created in Adobe Illustrator. So this Adobe Illustrator object having multiple layers, when I pasted this object in my Adobe Animate, it came up with the different layers, the same layer model which I have created in Adobe Illustrator. So that is why the entire Adobe Animate is gone slower and slower after importing all these 6 objects into the Adobe Animate. So the solution for this problem is, what you need to do is you need to investigate first your animation, which object is heavy, which object has nested layers, and eliminate those objects from your Adobe Animate temporarily for the time being. So right now I clicked on the laptop thing. So now the laptop model is here, which is created in Adobe Illustrator. So what I'm going to do is, before moving forward, if I click on any keyframe, you can see I right click, but right click menu is not coming. See how slow it is. So what we need to do is we need to eliminate those objects from the scene, from this current scene temporarily. To do this, I clicked right click on the layer on the frame. It is taking time to generate the pop-up. See how difficult it is. Because I'm going to work on different layers and need to add at least 42 manual keyframes in each one. See, here it is. So if I click on insert keyframe, again it is going to take time to insert keyframe. Okay, so this much time is going just to add a keyframe. That is really insane. You cannot work on any animation like that. So now the keyframe has been added. So what about the next keyframe, and what about all these blank? I have to insert the keyframe for my animation. So what I will do, I will select the laptop layer. It will take again some time to select the laptop layer. Now it is processing for the laptop layer. And once the laptop layer will be selected, just wait for that. Why it is taking time? Of course, it is selecting all the layers inside the object, as well as all the keyframes, as well as the layer in the Adobe Animator, Adobe Animate. Okay, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last layer which you want to select. So again, it is going to take time to select all these 6 layers: laptop, computer, mobile, tablet, printer, server. Just wait for a few more seconds. It is going to give us a result with the selection of all requested layer, which I selected by clicking, hold the shift key. Okay, now all the layers has been selected which I want to eliminate, and before doing this definitely you need to organize your layers which you want to temporarily eliminate from the scene. Now right click, the right click again going to take some time, and once the pop-up menu will come we will use the cut layer. The cut layer will remove the layers from the scene, and then we will see the result, how it is going. Okay, here's the menu, pop-up menu here. I will choose the cut layer. Now those heavy layers has been eliminated, and now I will see, right click, insert keyframe, insert keyframe, insert keyframe. So now my Adobe Animate is back to normal. So this is the solution if you are working on some heavy animation and you are importing objects from Adobe Illustrator. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel if you forgot to do that. And I'll see you in the next video. And please leave your comments in the comment box. And if you need any help in Adobe Animate, I will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.